everyone! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a DIY non-medical face mask. We thought that this video was appropriate given the times, and so you can help protect others and slow the spread of the virus.
For this activity, all you'll need is a piece of fabric and 2 hair elastics. Ideally, you want any soft fabric that is square, so any type of scarf or bandana will work well. I used an old scarf that was a longer rectangle and then took scissors to cut it into the square size I wanted. However, if you have a scarf that is a square, you won't even need scissors to cut it. Once you have your desired fabric size, all you have to do is fold the bottom and continue folding all the way until you get to the other end. Then fold the other side over top. Next, take each hair tie and put the fabric through on either side. Weave each one through until the fabric is about 1/3 of the way up. Then, fold the tail ends over and tuck them inside of each other. Feel free to use some glue here or add a stitch to hold these ends together.
So this is your mask, and you use each elastic to just wrap it around your ear.
And that's it! A super simple DIY no-sew mask. Enjoy, and stay safe and healthy during these times.